Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in London to check out the Wembley International Hotel, and the reason we've come to this one is because tonight it has the cheapest suite anywhere in London, which is £109. That's right, for a one-bedroom suite. Put that into context, other branded hotels, Novotels, Holiday Inns, etc., their standard rooms are about £120, £130 tonight, so we've got a suite for about 10-20 quid less than that. So let's go and check it out and see what the Wembley International Hotel has to offer. Look inside there. That is grim. Well, it's loud, but it is cold. This is hanging on for dear life here. The button's there, but there's also this swivel lever here. What's this do? Absolutely nothing. It's Wembley Stadium.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
Right, let's go and check in, and then let's go check out this suite. Right, so we go past the two lifts and we go to our special lift apparently. Ninth floor. Pack. Oh yeah, there we go. Tap the card. 9th. Away we go. Lift's fun. Very mirrored. Woo. Can we do the mirrored to the Death Star? Dunno. Ninth floor. Mind the step. I think this floor is just suites. (906) down this way. Here we are. Right, first impressions. If you like the colour blue, you'll like this room. If you don't, it might not be the one for you. So as we enter, we come into the lounge part of the room. Should we open some curtains and get some light in here? We'll check out the view shortly. So we've got the sofa, again, blue carpet, blue chair. Sofa looks nice and comfy. We'll check that out shortly. Shame that cushion's not done. We have got quite a lot of stains already though. Stainage. Someone's had a good time. Cabinet here. What's in this? TV in the cabinet, but you can't see it from your sofa. So we'll have to swivel that round. Unless that comes out. That does slide, but how far does it slide? Is it supposed to slide all the way out? Is this going to fall? So it comes to there. So you can kind of see, I suppose. Interesting one. We'll put that back for now. Some drawers. Very squeaky. Shut the TV cabinet. Then we got a table and one chair. Again blue, again stained, very stained chairs. But I suppose you can watch your TV from there. Storagey looking heater, that's a weird looking heater. And then up here on this side, it's weird, you've got a sink. Was the tea and kettle over here with the TV? Did I see that in there? No. So there's just the TV there. Cupboard above. This is like if you want to actually live here. Drawers. How interesting. Hotel key. Does that go there to put the lights on? Beautiful. Little fridge on the floor. Little freezer thing. Does work. Cool, then we go around this bit. Again, lots of curtains. Open those up. We have an ironing board, which has power. Oh, is it it's a Corby trouser press. It's been a Corby 6600. So you can do your ironing, press your trousers. Here's your Philips Diva 135. You'll have to let me know if that's a good iron or not. It doesn't even have the steamy things. Even I know that. Caution, hot iron, obviously. Then we enter the bathroom. Again, very blue themed. Also very wooden themed. What is this shower curtain? Some abstract art for you. If you like 5-year-olds doing your paintings. Open that. Bath. Jacuzzi looking bath. Does the jacuzzi bath button work? Oh, it does. We'll try the jacuzzi out shortly. Shower over. Important, please turn tap anti-clockwise all the way to the end and wait for the hot water to start. Sounds like there's a queue. That soap tray's seen better days, just needs a polish. This grout as well. What else have we got in here? So we've got the toilet, clean, cracked tiles down there. This bath panel, obviously it's got lots of water on it over the years and it's starting to crack, as is all round here. Couple of glasses, some soaps, these shampoos, body wash, 3 body washes, 3 soaps and 3 body washes, kind of do the same thing. And then there's no shampoo, so really one should be shampoo, one should be soap. Anyway, sink with tap over. Look at this sealant around here, that looks like I've done it. Tissues on the wall, a beautiful big mirror, probably the best thing about it. Little light, 2 toilet rolls, bin, heater, towel rail. Ignore my jumper, I got wet in the rain. They like the blue and brown theme. It'd be fun to try the jacuzzi later though. And then we come to the master bedroom. Ooh. It's a very big master bedroom. The first thing that we come to is this gigantic thing, which I think is an aircon. So we've got a whole external aircon unit, wooden base included and everything, threaded out the back. Looks amazing, like a time machine. Huge big king size bed, that's good, we'll check that out shortly. TV in here, so that's good that you get TV in both rooms. Plug sockets, aerial, old school. This desk, seam stays, I suppose it's inevitably going to get worn, but it's very marked, very scratched. More plug sockets. Oh my god, look at the light. Try and fix that for them. Put the seam at the back, hope no one notices. Huge mirror. There's the other chair to go with your table. We got a hairdryer. Doesn't fit in the holster, I think that's a new hairdryer. Too big for the holster. A phone, presumably to call reception. There's more stains on the old side table. So you get 2 side tables, that's good, one either side, big headboard. And then round this side, we've got the trusty old safe. And a couple more drawers. Was a third by the looks of it, but no longer. Usual hangers, some extra bedding, pillows. So yeah, pretty nice room, very big. We're on the western facing side, so in the afternoon, very nice and sunny. View's pretty decent really, considering we're in Wembley. Bit of greenery, nice sky. Can't really moan, to be honest, about the view. Nice. So just checking out the bed. Obviously we'll have to see how we sleep on it. Initially, very soft, like really soft. I've nearly sat on the floor. So I'll let you know in the morning how we get on with that. Just under the TV here, we have a little pull-out tray with the kettle. Uh-oh. Look inside there. That is grim. I think I'm going down to the bar rather than having a cup of tea from here. Does come with your teas, Pride of Kenya, your coffees, Nairobi, is that how you say Nairobi? Nairobi coffee, milks, 3 cups, interesting choice to go for 3, but at least they're clean, and some sugars, and a little cupboard under there. So this monstrosity is also an aircon as well as a heater. So we've just put that on. I have noticed down here on the carpet many stains. It's a bit grim. Let's go see if the old aircon in the bedroom works. On. Turn you down. Well, it's loud, but it is cold. That's good. Maybe we should just leave it on while I'm out. I know the electricity will turn off when with the key. Oh well. This is hanging on for dear life here. Right, now the last hotel I was in that had a jacuzzi bath was a Britannia, and I was very disappointed that it did not work, so fingers crossed, here we go. Yes! We have jets! It's jacuzzi time! The button's there, but there's also this swivelly bit here. What does this do? Absolutely nothing. Woo, look at the jets! Right, check out the sofa. Bit firm. Be okay though, watch TV. We're going to go for a little explore around the hotel now, see if there's anything of interest, and then I think we're going to go down to the bar and maybe check out the restaurant, but definitely get a drink, so we'll see you down. So turns out the sofa is actually a sofa bed. It has got the most old school mattress you've ever seen. But there you go, 2 beds instead of 1. The TV was not plugged in and there was no aerial. So we're now trying to work this out. TV is not doing well so far. Just to prove we're in Wembley. There's Wembley Stadium. Beautiful. So we've got the menu here by the looks of things. Ribeye steak. Ooh. Decent looking menu.
They have been absolutely on the bucket.
Nice.
Good piece of work there. My son-in-law's ready to throw in a flash. The biggest games, the cricket for the week, and that's exactly what's happening tomorrow, 6:30 local time.
The Empire restaurant where brekkie served. Hi, so morning everyone. So how was the bed? The bed was okay. It is a very big bed. I think it's actually a Super King, it's so wide. It's quite creaky though. So as an example, it's squeaky. So if you move, it makes a lot of noise, but the mattress was quite comfy, to be fair, not too shabby at all. We did find another issue with the hotel room is that the TV in the lounge portion does not work. It was not plugged in. It didn't have the aerial plugged in. We plugged them both in. When you do plug them both in, the actual TV cabinet thing you can't see from anywhere in the room unless you're in the chair. And it also didn't work. We couldn't tune it, so that one didn't work. TV in the bedroom did work, so that's a plus. Also, amazingly, even though this is the suite of the hotel, so you'd assume the most expensive room here, you do not get breakfast included. Breakfast is £11 for a continental or £16 for a full English per person. So being it's not included, I won't be reviewing that. Overall, not a bad stay. The area around here, I went for a little walk last night, it's probably not the best, safest location. There is a nice shopping centre nearby, and when you get around Wembley Stadium that way, it's a bit nicer. But the rest of Wembley is a little bit rough if you've never been here before. The hotel was nice enough, I suppose, especially for the price, considering the staff are all really friendly, so that's a good plus. Would I recommend it? Probably. But just don't come with any anticipation of a magnificent suite. It's pretty basic, but does the job. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yo, it's Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high